Subscribe to our channel for more travel related videos and press the bell icon for the notification.
Today we'll be checking the accuracy of return to home in Mavic Air 2. We'll be flying from this location and we'll be moving up 80 meters and let's see whether it comes back to the same location here.
The home point has been updated on the map.
It's almost 80 meters, so let's check whether it will come back to the same location. I'll be giving return to home here.
Go home. Landing.
Wow, you can see the accuracy is very good. Where we have taken off, it has landed in the same position.